Hi guys, I'm Raunak. Paris Saint-Germain forward Lionel Messi and three other players have been tested positive for COVID-19. The French Ligue 1 club said on Sunday. Argentina star footballer Lionel Messi joined Paris Saint-Germain from boyhood club FC Barcelona in August, and the 34-year-old has scored 6 goals in 16 games in all competitions for the Parisian side. PSG's defender Joan Barnett, backup goalkeeper Sergio Rico, and midfielder Nathan Bissoumazala were the other players who returned positive tests. Paris Saint-Germain said in a statement that the four players are currently in isolation and subject to health protocols. PSG are top of the League 1 standings on 46 points after 19 matches. At the beginning of the 2022 year itself, sad news has come out for the fans of the legendary footballer Lionel Messi. He has become a victim of the pandemic coronavirus. FC Barcelona's left back Joan Barnett has also been found infected with corona. Earlier, the Monaco team had also reported 7 cases of corona. However, none of them showed any serious symptoms. France reported 219,126 new confirmed COVID-19 cases in a 24-hour period on Saturday, the fourth day in a row that the country has recorded more than 2 lakh cases. Lionel Messi joined Paris Saint-Germain for FC Barcelona in August and has scored 6 goals in 16 games in all competitions for the Parisian side. The League 1 club also issued an update on Neymar Jr., who is currently in Brazil and will continue his treatment on an ankle injury. His return to training is still expected to be in about 3 weeks. Neymar is said to miss 6 to 8 weeks after sustaining ligament damage in his left ankle in their win over Saint Etienne on Sunday. After the game, Neymar promised to come back stronger from the injury. Unfortunately, these setbacks are a part of an athlete's life. Now it's time to raise the head and move on. Neymar Jr. will come back better and stronger. Neymar was later pictured leaving the stadium on crutches. The examinations carried out and Neymar Jr. suffers from a sprained left ankle with ligament injuries. An unavailability of 6 to 8 weeks is to be expected. PSG have performed admirably this season and continued their dominance at the top of the Ligue 1 points table with a comprehensive 3-1 win over Saint Etienne. The PSG fans might remember this game for Neymar's terrible injury, which might see him on the sidelines for a prolonged period. Neymar twisted his ankle after landing painfully. Neymar's injury comes as a major source of worry for the League 1 giants, who are eyeing their maiden Champions League title. PSG added that one staff member also had COVID-19 in a statement on Sunday night. PSG boss Mauricio Pochettino added Messi remained in Argentina, where he spent the winter break and wouldn't travel until testing negative. During a pre-match news conference on Sunday, Pochettino said that he couldn't put a date on Lionel Messi's return. PSG's first league game on 2022 after their winter break is against Lyon on Sunday, 9th January 2022. Neymar Jr. will miss the match as he continues his recovery from an ankle injury. In football, contact is inevitable. Players share their dressing room. The risk of contamination is there, but the team management take all the necessary measures to try to prevent a player from infecting others. Mauricio Pochettino said he was unsure if Messi, who is currently in Argentina, would feature in their next league game at Lyon on 9th January 2022. Messi has been in regular contact with the medical team, and when he has a negative test, he will travel to France. Nobody knows if he will be involved against Lyon. And Neymar Jr. will continue his treatment in Brazil until 9th January with members of PSG medical and performance staff. So I provided the update regarding Lionel Messi, Neymar Jr. and Paris Saint-Germain. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, and if you're new to this channel, then subscribe it.